At Bayer, we care for farmers worldwide, ensuring safety, sustainability, and trust in the entire process of farming. Proper disposal of empty pesticide containers is important. It protects both health and the environment. What are some safe pesticide disposal practices to follow? Follow label and local laws. Never dispose of pesticides or their rinsate in fields, trash, drains, or water bodies. Triple rinse empty pesticide containers immediately, and then puncture them to prevent reuse. Follow the triple rinsing procedure. 1. Empty, pour any residual product from container into a spray tank for 30 seconds. 2. Rinse. Fill empty container 10 to 20% with water, shake for 30 seconds, pour into spray tank, repeat twice. 3. Dispose. Puncture empty pesticide container and follow local disposal regulations. Add rinsate to spray mix per label instructions. Handle containers as hazardous until triple rinsed. Store securely if disposal is delayed. Train staff on safe handling practices. Participate in recycling. Many manufacturers offer take-back programs. Reduce waste. Buy only what's needed. Mix precise amounts. And store unused pesticides properly. Use authorized disposal facilities. Keep records. And consult the manufacturer for guidance. Every farmer's care counts. Safe disposal today means a healthier farm tomorrow.